you've got an oil leak, well, have you ever thought about why that oil leak happened? A lot of times on the channel, we not only talk about how to fix something, but we also talk about why something is going on. And that is extremely crucial when you're working on your automobile. And this information relates to any automobiles, because not only does this thing create just serious horsepower, given the right situation, it creates air. This is a giant air pump, and everything is trying to escape this engine the whole time. The whole time this engine is running, it's building up pressure, and that pressure is trying to escape. So every engine has what's called a PCV valve. And we're going to talk about that in this video. And I don't know if I'm going to show you how to actually fix anything, but I'm going to describe to you how this thing works. So what's going on, YouTube? My name's Clay with the Clay Way here in Muskegon, Michigan. And if this video is helpful, please consider subscribing, clicking them notifications, sharing my videos, and give me them sweet old thumbs up. And if you have a question, you can hit me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair on the Facebook Messenger. I certainly might be able to help you with your automobile. I just won't be able to help you with that baby mama drama, because we all got it. And if this video is helpful, at nighttime, when you're putting the old Z's away, flip open that laptop computer, turn on the old Clay Way, and put on one of my sweet playlists and let them suckers play from front to back. Just turn that volume down. Then you don't have to listen to this mouth yammer. And remember, if anybody else can do it, you can do it too. Like I may or may not have said, every single engine has what looks very similar to this. This is called a PCV valve. It stands for positive crankcase ventilation, or maybe passive. I honestly can't remember right now. But anyways, what happens is when the engine's running, it's pumping up air, and it sends that air through the bottom of here and expels it out here. There's so many things that run your automobile that are controlled by air, because they want to use this unused power that the engine creates. Not only does it create combustion and firing, and as the pistons are going up and down, as them pistons go up and down inside the crankcase, it creates tons of air movement. Well, it needs to get rid of that, or what'll happen is you'll end up having bad seals on your engine. Hopefully it's just a valve cover seal like it is on this one, but it could be as worse as an engine rear main seal. And that can be pricey, because you're going to end up having to remove that engine out of there. And we all know that ain't cheap, nor is it very much fun. Plugged or restricted PCV valves are the #1 cause of engine leaks. The #2 cause? People like me, or people like you, or even the mechanic you had working on it before for not doing the work correctly. So, the next time you have an oil leak and you're going to fix the leak, even if it's on the valve cover, rear seal, front seal, anywhere that has a gasket, make sure you change your PCV valve too. Then that way you eliminate that problem for in the future. Now I'm going to pull this PCV valve out of here, and we're going to see if it's stuck. But this information is good for any automobile. I don't care what kind it is. It creates air no matter what. So this is our old PCV valve, and this is our new PCV valve. If you remove these and you can't shake it, you'll feel a little ball bearing inside there going up and down. Well, in this one, because it's restricted with oil and grime over a long period of time, it's not working efficiently. So it needs to be replaced, and we're going to replace that. But here's what's supposed to happen. You're supposed to be able to blow air into here, but barely blow it into here. And how that works is, as that air pushes up inside there, it pushes a check ball, which is more like a ball bearing wrapped inside this casing. It pushes that up and allows the air to go around and out of here. If the air was to go back this way, it would push the ball down, blocking off the passage so it doesn't return back inside the engine. Well, remember, it's always good practice to change these things. Anytime you're doing any kind of gasket, you're going to save yourself lots of headache and lots of time. And the good thing is, these frickin' things are cheap. Well, so hopefully that gave you guys a little bit more knowledge up on the noggin. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing, clicking the notification, sharing my videos, and giving me them sweet old thumbs up. Remember, I try to help everyone that I possibly can. I can't help everybody with everything, but if you look me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair, send me a message. I'm happy to try to help you out. We don't collect information, none of that BS or jive or nothing about that. It's just about helping folks just like you. Just like you, I don't have a ton of money in my pocket. And if I can help you pay that rent or house payment by saving you a couple dollars down at the old repair shop, I certainly will. God bless you, folks. Remember, don't be the next to them. Be the first to you. And if anyone else can do it, I guarantee you, you can do it too.